Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you a simple method that you can utilize to make gains like this very easily. If you are beginner, then this video is for you because this video is has a method that is very simple. Even a small kid like under 18 can use this. Teenagers can use this technique easily, even or any person who don't have much time to learn complex strategies and complex tools and guides. Then he she can use this method to make a profitable trades on daily basis. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I regularly bring profitable trading strategies. So guys, are you ready for this amazing and simple method? This method can be applied to any market, whether it's forex, crypto or stocks, and we will be using 1 hour time frame for this strategy. And you will be using Bollinger Bands for this strategy. Only Bollinger Band is enough for this strategy, and Bollinger Band is a powerful tools, powerful volatility tool. It is used by most of the professional indicators, and you will use standard deviation 3 for this strategy, and I will explain you how this strategy can be a good profitable strategy for you, and you can utilize it to make daily consistent profits. And you will change the color to make this appear good on the chart and more easily readable. So we will change this color, and now our setup is almost ready. We have to do one thing, I think more, that is go to candles and change the candle to Heiken Ashi candle. And now you are good, and our setup is done and ready. Now guys, you have to watch this video completely. I will explain at the later end about many tricks that you have to listen in order to utilize this strategy. First of all, you will check whether a candle touches the standard deviation 3. If it goes, then we have a trigger for a buy signal. If in case we have red candles touching the lower band, and we have a buy signal in that case, and you can see how much profitable this signal was. It was like almost 14%. This is insane and huge uh, gain, and it is unlikely to be able to utilize this, is because you have to stay on the market for a long time for that type of signal, and mostly people get out of the trade early. And now you can see we have another signal touching the red of the standard deviation 3 Bollinger Band, and you can see we get another nice profitable trade from this also. Now now this strategy is also it vulnerable to fake signals, and I will explain you how you will utilize only correct signals, so so you can minimize the number of lost trades. And first thing is you have to wait for a squeeze in Bollinger Bands that can help you to maximize your chances for a successful trade. And you can see we have a touching to the first Bollinger Band, and you can see we can get a small trade of 2%. You can utilize this strategy for scalping also, and you can see you can get out from this trade at this using Heiken Ashi. uh, like when Heiken Ashi changes color to the opposite, like in case of short, you can get out of the trade when it turns into green or blue. And likewise, you can see you can get a profitable 3% from this trade also. And you can see we have another profitable trade here. You can see if first of all we have to wait for the candles to touch the third deviation of Bollinger Bands, first Bollinger Band. Then we have to wait for the candles to turn into green in hike in Ashi candles. Then we can enter into the trade, and that's is the part of buy sell. So guys, now come to our tips and tricks and things to avoid in this strategy. If you are still stick to this part, then congrats, you are a patient trader and you will succeed in trading. And now first of all, you have to wait for two candles, opposite candle. Like we want to open a long trade in this case, then we will wait for two green candles close to the two Bollinger Bands with standard deviation 2. And here example of our short case, you will wait for two red candles close to the second Bollinger Band. uh, what I mean by close means these candles should not be green. And when a candle closes inside the second Bollinger Band, these candles should not be the green candle in case of short. Like here you can see we have red candles. They, if they were green, we will not take that trade. um, and then because that means there is a ranging period. And what I am trying to say is, whenever they are not opposite candles after the inside of closing inside of the second Bollinger Band, then there is a possible chance of a ranging period. You can see there is a touchdown to this, and you will if candles close to the inside of Bollinger Band, second Bollinger Band, and they are opposite. So when they are opposite, then you can open a trade. But in case if they are not opposite, like in case of this is green, if they were small red ones, then that means the market wants to go into ranging period. That I am trying to say. So you have to differentiate this thing. It is a complex thing that I tried to explain you, but you will understand when you will see and analyze in the market, in the real time. Like here you can see the cross I have made, uh, which shows if you take those trades, that will be a negative. Which conclude to our second part that I want to tell you is that we also want to go in trades when they were when they are breaking a trend line. When you draw trend line and you wait for the trend line to broke, that is also an added protection for you. And the last and not least very important tip for you is to wait for a squeeze in Bollinger Band. This is very important. If you want to get 100% from this strategy, then all you have to do is only wait for the quality signal, that is wait for squeeze in Bollinger Band. A good squeeze in Bollinger Band, that is a guarantee for your success. And then you will have a very high chance. Like you can see here is a good squeeze in Bollinger Band that added the protection to our success of the trade. And that's it. I hope you like today's video. Thanks for watching.